Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me share you how to reset this Realme Buds T200 Lite TWS earbuds. And in your TWS earbuds, if there is no hardware issue, surely resetting the earbuds will solve any technical problems. Now firstly, to reset this earbuds, so just unpair the earbuds from your previously connected all the devices. So in case if you are already connected means, go to the Bluetooth settings and click on the device and click on unpair and turn off the Bluetooth. Now just close the charging case door and wait for a few seconds and make sure both case and earbuds have enough battery. Now just take both buds and simultaneously press and hold for 10 seconds continuously. You can just do this step by wearing the buds so that you can get notified about the success indication. I am going to do now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I am actually press and hold it for 10 seconds continuously. Actually there is no any sound indication like that. So after press and holding for 10 seconds, in the previous model we get some sound indication, success indication, but in this model there is no success indication sounds, but you will hear some digital sounds from the starting itself. But just leave it that and simply press and hold for 10 seconds continuously on both the buds, and after that just now place both the buds into the case and close the case door and again open it. Now we have to do the fresh pairing again. Enable the Bluetooth on the device. Now we can able to find out whether the buds is fully resetted or not. We can able to find that. So after you enable the Bluetooth, you can see the Google Fastpair dialog box. Click on the connect. We can able to find whether it's a reset or not by just going to the Realme Link application, because we do some customization on the Realme Link application in before. So if the buds is resetted means then that all the customization will also be resetted. Now in the Realme Link application on the dual device connection, now it actually currently turned off, and also there is only one device is actually showing. In before I actually used this Realme Buds T200 Lite, another two smartphones, and also I enabled the dual device connection. Now that it's disabled, which means the buds is actually get resetted. So in this way you can able to confirm whether the buds is resetted or not by just head over to this Realme Link application. Well, now in this way you can reset your Realme Buds T200 Lite TWS earbuds if you face any connection related issues or one side earbuds only pairing means. By using this reset process you can solve the connection related issues. And also if you face any volume imbalance issue means, just to go to the Android settings and search for accessibility. Type ACC, you can see the accessibility option. Now in this setting page, click on the hearing tab. Now here is a channel volume balancing. Make sure this pointer is at center. If it is towards left or towards right, then you might face a volume imbalance issue. Based on that, adjust this slider, and that's it.